Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to see how to design the gray water piping. What is the gray water pipe and what is the gray water? First of all, let us learn what is the gray water. Before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, if you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribing. It's free of cost, and please like and share my videos. Most of the people are only watching my channel and they're not subscribing, so please do subscribe because it's free of cost and I'm making the video for you. So let us start now. Gray water is nothing but the water which is coming from the uh, treatment, coming after treatment, this sewage treatment plant. Okay, the water going this waste water going from in the high rise building, the water the waste water coming from this floor drain, wash basin, shower, all these water will go to this sewage treatment plant. Okay, and this water will send is treated in the sewage treatment plant. After treated this water, it will be sent to this gray water storage tank. Okay, there is another tank. It will send to this gray water storage tank, and that water will be used for the flushing only. For the flushing, it is used in WC and urinals only, just to save this just to save this power consumption, this green building. Okay, this concept is for the green building energy, saving the cost. Okay, we same wastewater we treated and sending to this gray water tank for and use in using for flushing flushing purpose and irrigation system. Okay, so irrigation purpose. So this gray water is only used in WC and urinal. Okay, and some water they using for irrigation purpose. Okay, so let us see how to design this gray water pipe sizing as per IPC. So this is one simple layouts. You can see here there are three WC, and here is the laboratory. Is called a wash basin or laboratory. But we are not using this. This piping is not showing here. Why? Because we are not using this water in this laboratory. Okay, so this water is only used in WC and urinal for flushing purpose. Okay. So this is 3 WC you can see here, and here is 1 2 3 4 5 urinals. Okay, and here is also number of WCs. So let us see how to design this piping. So first of all, what will be the pipe size here in this point? What will be the pipe size? So here you can see there are 5 urinals. So I have one Excel sheets here. Let us delete this. Let us delete this value, and I will show you how to get this. All this value I am going to delete it, and here I write this fixtures type quantity. You can enter here quantities, and here is water supply fixture unit. Okay, and here once you multiply this quantity into this fixtures unit, you will get the total fixture unit. And this water is using we using 4 fps. This is a force system. Okay, 4 fps velocity. So let us see here, urinal is 5, and the water supply fixture unit for the urinal you can found here this international plumbing code. Here this is the load value given here for the fixtures. So here is your urinal and this is a public. Okay, so the water supply fixture unit for the urinal is 3 FU. So you simply enter here 3. Okay, so we will get it here 15 fixture unit. So for the fixture 15 fixture unit, what will be the GPM? So you can check here this same thing I already explained in my previous last videos. Uh, the last videos. So it's the same procedure. Only we are going to change here the velocity. Okay. So what you will do? Let me. Okay. So let me check here if I can found. Let me go to this cold water pipe sizing. Copy this because the line is not showing there. So let me paste it here. Okay. Okay. So let me open this. Okay. So total fixture unit is 15. So the GPM is here. You can found from this table number 41, and this is a table for estimating demand. Demand is nothing but GPM, and here is your water supply fixture unit. So total fixture unit is here 15. So the GPM will be 17.5. So you can write it here 17.5. Okay. So for 17.5 GPM, what will be the pipe size? You can check in this chart. Simply zoom this and you can keep it here. Okay, and this is your velocity. Okay, so where this two line is coinciding here. So this is 1 and 1.5. So you can say this 1 inch pipe. Okay, so here is your 1 inch. Similarly, go to this. You can move to this place where you can move it. You can check the pipe size here. So how to write here? Let me copy this. I will paste it here. Okay. Fifteen FU and the GPM is 17.5. Okay, and pipe size will be 1 inch. You can write like this. Okay, 15 FU fixture unit. Simply copy this. Okay, you can paste it here. Here you can check the total number of fixture units. So here is your 3 to 5, and here is to 7. Total 7 WC and 5 urinals. So 5 urinal already here and WC is 7. So water supply fixture unit for WC you can found from this table. Okay, so WC water closet public flush tank. Water closet public here 5 fixture units. So you can write it here 5. So total GPM, what will be the GPM for this one? Okay, so You don't need to write here, simply I will write here total. Okay, so total fixture unit will be 35. So for 35 fixture unit, what will be the GPM? You can check from this table. Here 35, 24.9. So 24.9, you can move this here. Okay, and this will be goes to this line. So this line is your pipe dia, and this is the velocity. Okay, so 1.5 inch pipe size will be here, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. So you can write simply here, the fixture unit will be 35. Okay, 35, and GPM will be 24.6, and pipe size will be 1.5. Okay, similarly you can calculate for this 3WC. So what you will do, simply copy this and paste it here. Okay, so here is your 3WC. So for 3WC, the let me delete this and try enter here 3. So I'm getting 15. For 15 fixtures unit, what will be the GPM? Delete this also, delete this and this. Okay, so for 15 fixtures unit, what will be the GPM? So here is 15 fixture unit, the GPM will be 17.5, 17.5, sorry, and the pipe size will be 1 inch. Okay, so you can write it here, 15 FU, 17.5, and pipe size will be half inch, sorry, 1 inch. Okay, the finally last point is here. So here you will be your total fixtures unit. So you can copy this one like this. So 35 and 15, so 50 fixture units. So here your fixture unit will be 50. So what will be the GPM? For 50 fixture unit, the GPM will be 29.1. So approximate here. Okay, this is your 30, and this line will move to the here. So 1.5, almost same. So 1.5 inch, 30 fixture unit. Okay, so 50 fixture unit is 50 and GPM is 30, and pipe size is 1.5. So I hope you guys learn how to calculate the pipe size for gray water piping. Okay, so once again I would like to request you guys, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I will upload the video, you will get the notification of that video. So thank you for watching my video.